Welcome again to Thrive with AI. This is James, your host, and today in episode 7, we will start getting into the amazing world of AI. Now, um, before we continue, I would just like to ask you guys to like, subscribe, share this channel as a way to support this channel. AI is still in its infancy stages, just like in the past when the internet was in its early stages of development. There will be some growing pains with AI, maybe even some stock market crash related to AI, because there's just so much um, people going into the gold rush of AI, and the world still needs some time to catch up because, I worked in IT, and, even with the whole technology part, people are still trying to catch up. It was only because of COVID that people were forced to use technology more and more. With AI, there really is no COVID situation that will force people to get into it. And so there might be some rude awakening for 2026. But regardless of that, we're here to use these powerful tools, and I'm here to guide you guys in figuring out how to use these tools in a cost effective manner, in an efficient manner. And so, for this episode, we're going to go back to some of those workflows that we explored in the past. And I'm going to show you guys some of the tests that I did before, and then a live demo of a new execution of it. And so, without further ado, let's get into it and let's have some fun. Okay. All right. So, I have some of the pages here that I was working before. Um, so this is the um, the N8N instance that is running on our VPS, virtual private server, that we got at a discount for a month. So hopefully we'll have more resources so we can continue this. It is not that expensive, but it does add up. So especially if you don't have sponsors just yet. All right, so you can see here under workflows, the top one, the ones in the bottom were the ones that were preloaded when we created this N8N application system, but I didn't find anything I wanted to use, so I went to the templates, the 7,000 plus templates right here, which we could access through this link or directly through the templates page. So this is the one we were looking at. Analyze landing page with OpenAI and get optimization tips. We looked at this in the past, and we're gonna open the hood and try to execute it, put it in the real world. So let's go to this template section right here, which you might not see. It's in the lower right side of the screen. Um, Let me move my screen, my video over so you can see. All right. Let's go back. So on the lower left side of the screen, it says templates. We go over there and we go to see more templates in the lower right. Let's see, 7,656 workflow. You've seen this in the past in earlier episodes. And let's go to marketing. And this is what we were looking at before. The analyze landing page with OpenAI and get optimization tips. So we go in there and then we click on use for free, and then we're given different options. And so since because we are using it a certain way, we can just quickly import template to our n8n VPS hosted server. This one right here, just because we're in the same um, browser session, so it can see it. So we click on it, and then it automatically brings it here. And then before, because this is a new setup, I didn't have my OpenAI account API's credentials connected, so I had to get it connected. So if you're doing this, you can add your credentials here. And for you to be able to utilize OpenAI's API, it's large language models, you go over here, platform.openai.com, and then you basically just create an account and then put some money into the account. Right now I have like I think $11, and every time I run it, as you can see here, it's gonna consume the credits that you put in there. So it was pretty expensive when I ran it. It was using a particular model, and it was running into problems, and I had to make some adjustments because it wouldn't run the second time. And the reason why was that each model will have a particular limit. And so the workflow uses like 100,000 tokens, this token limit right here. And it was using O1 or something like that. And its limit was like 30,000, like this. So there was no way it was going to run. So I had to adjust it to GPT 5.1, and then it ran. Okay, so just something to be aware of. Okay, here's the main account that I have. So to get the API keys here, you basically go in here and create your keys. See, for my second test, this is the one I just created. And then under billing, I still have $11 left. I purchased this like last year, and I didn't get to really fully utilize it. And then you can see the usage later on, and if you're troubleshooting or exploring more. So that is the hood in there for OpenAI. And then now, so we basically got that template. We put it in our virtual private server. And then now, so you just go in here, or I have it open already. Okay, so that's the template. So leave that alone. So we open our workflow here. So it's pretty simple. You have a landing page, and then it looks at the website that you want to look at, and then the AI agent using right now OpenAI to look into it. And basically, um, as the title suggests, it analyzes the landing page with OpenAI and get optimization tips. So the first run I did was originaltommies.com. We have that just right across the street here in historic Filipino town in Los Angeles. And then I also looked at Tribal Cafe, and then we'll look at one more live one. We'll see what we will use when we run our automation right here. Okay. All right, baby. Just watch. Just stay over there. Okay. All right. So we did this part. Once you connect it, you'll be able to start utilizing OpenAI's different large language models. And then over here, okay, so if we go to this execution tab, you'll see um, the history, right? So this is the first one I did that used up a lot of tokens for originaltommies.com. And then if you double click here under AI agent, open AI chat model, it'll basically give us the output right here. So you get the input and then the output on the right side. And then I copied it um, so we can read it easily, and went to ChatGPT and told it to basically clean it up so we can easily see it. So anyway, this is what it did. First, it did the roasted the homepage here for Original Tommy's, and then after roasting it, provided some recommendations. All right, baby. Okay, so let's just see the results when I initially ran this with the original model that the automation used. Okay, so roast. Hey, friend, let's have a heart to heart. This landing page is basically a chili cheeseburger without enough chili. People want the flavor, but you're holding it back. Let's break down what's going on, what's going wrong, and then we'll fix it. Number one, weak wow above the fold. That giant burger image is mouth-watering, no doubt, but everything around it feels like a lukewarm handshake instead of a big cheesy bear hug. Order delivery and pickup is there, yet it's oddly overshadowed by download our app. The result? Instant confusion. Visitors shouldn't have to think about what to do first. Order should be the obvious move, right? So if you go to the website here, this is what it's talking about. Okay. Second roast, too much menu, not enough direction. You've got chili, dogs, tamales, breakfast burritos, absolute bangers, but the carousel dumps everything at once. It's visual noise without guidance. You're shouting, "Look at all this," without saying why or what to do next. It feels like a carnival with no signs. Um, and then third, headline lacks a killer hook. Original Tommy's world famous menu is a label, not a hook. If you're world famous, make me feel it. Where's the bold bragging? Something like slathered in legendary chilies since 1946. Now that earns attention. And then another one, CTA chaos, call to action chaos. Download the app, order now, join the email club, read our history, book their Shack on Wheels, buy merch. This page is a CTA carnival. Fun for a second, then overwhelming. Visitors want chili burgers, not a scavenger hunt. Email club is buried. It's there technically, but it's drowned in text and distractions. People don't sign up for newsletters, they sign up for deals. If you want emails, that offer needs to pop. All right, let's skip through those remaining roasts and go to some recommendations. And so it gives us like 10 focused conversation driven fixes to turn this page into a chili powered sales machine. So, number one, hero section with one dominant call to action. Push download app into a subtle corner banner. Make the hero scream, "Legendary chili since 1946. Order now." One bold, high contrast CTA button, front, center, unmissable. Number two, add a limited time chili offer. Create a chili lover special or bundle. Add light urgency, limited time, limited availability. Feature it in or directly under the hero. The third one, rewrite the headline around heritage. Swap the generic headline for serving legendary chili since 1946. Longevity instant equals instant trust. Use it everywhere. So those are just a sample. And then the next one that we did, if we go back here to our workflow, okay, so we're done there, and then we had all these errors, and then after we adjusted the model that we use, it finally succeeded for Tribal Cafe, and we go here in the AI agent and look at the results. So we copied the roast and recommendation output here, And then we put it in ChatGPT to clean up so we could read it easily. And here we go. And this is the site, just so you know that it was looking at. All right. Here we go. The roast. All right. First things first, this isn't a landing page. It's a full-blown content theme park. You didn't build a funnel. You built a Netflix season of Tribal Cafe. Let's pinpoint exactly where conversations are leaking. Number one, you have one clear goal, buried under 40 other goals. For a cold visitor, the job is simple: order food. And for about 3 glorious seconds, you nail it. Sticky nav bar, order online, hero button, order online, mobile button bar, order online, chef's kiss. Then you immediately start adding chaos. Ingersoll Avenue, owner, button that goes. Join Tribal Cafe Rewards button. Ingersoll Avenue owner, again as a giant CTA and welcome. Multiple galleries with 0 CTAs. App promo model, bottom bar, app button, social links. Now you're asking a hungry human too. Learn your story, browse galleries, read FAQs, join rewards, maybe download an app. This is classic CRO, death by optionality. Result: fewer people do the main action because you keep tempting them with distraction. 2. You sound like SEO, not like a craving. Your hero copy: best vegetarian and vegan cafe and regular food in Los Angeles, fresh and plant powered. This reads like someone was forced to write a headline at gunpoint with a keyword list. Humans don't think, I want the best vegetarian and vegan cafe and regular food, fresh and plant powered. They think, I want something bomb filling and not trashy for my body. You've got real personality. Coffee rave, we are the 99%, banh mi, Buddha bowls, live music. None of that shows up in the actual pitch above the fold. Right now, the page reads like Yelp plus Google Business plus SEO blog stapled together. Safe, generic, not holy crap, I need to order this. All right, so that's the second one. So there's a lot. Now let's go to the recommendations here. 10 CRO recommendations, actionable and specific. Here are 10 plays. 2024 ready and tuned to your exact page. Number one, turn the hero into a craving engine, not an SEO block. Replace best vegetarian and vegan cafe and regular food with something like that sells the experience. Headline options: plant powered comfort food that actually fills you up. Echo Park's go to spot for big, healthy, ridiculously good meals. Vegan, veggie, and regular comfort food all under one funky roof. Sub headline options: Buddha bowls, banh mi, breakfast burritos, and juices made fresh on Temple Street. Order now, eat in 20 to 30 minutes. From Super 6 lockdown bowls to the We Are the 99% banh mi. Order online for pickup or delivery today. Add one line social proof under CTA. 4.8 plus from 1,500 plus LA locals since 2005. Serving Echo Park and DTLA. Downtown Los Angeles locals daily. Order ahead and skip the line. Why you shift from we're the best cafe to you're getting something craveable fast. All right, so those are the two results that I did before we started our show. Now let's take a peek right here. So we can close this one now. We don't need that. We don't need that. We don't need that. Okay. So you can see here what's happening here is on the right side is the input that went to the AI agent, that went to OpenAI, ChatGPT models, large language models, and then when it went to OpenAI, it was given these prompts right here, and we're gonna look into it a little bit later in detail. But basically, this is the prompt, and then this is the output here on the right side, and then the model. We use GPT-5, and so there's different options. So we go close that. So we were under executions. Now let's go to editor right here. Okay. Um, and then let's double click here under AI agent. So this is the prompt. You are a professional expert in conversion rate optimization who helps business founders and CMOs, chief marketing officer, I'm guessing, improve their landing page. You are a world-class expert in analyzing landing pages, roasting them, and providing valuable conversion rate optimization ideas to help businesses increase conversions. Goal: I want you to roast my landing page and deliver recommendations to improve the conversion rate. I will use this roast to understand what's wrong with my landing page and make improvements based on your recommendations. Roast structure. Hi, baby. Roast structure. This framework consists of 2 blocks. Okay. Anyway, that's that to give you an idea. All right. We're going to wrap up our show soon, baby. Okay. All right. So let's close this. So now, 5 minutes, baby. Okay. So now, um, let's put it to the test. You see, it's a very simple workflow. You have a landing page, looks at the site. It uses an AI agent that uses OpenAI's model. In this case, we use 5.5, 5.1 model, and that's it. And this is simple. This is a good starting point, but you can do so much more. You can add more where it sends the data to. You can add memory if there was something that needed some memories or other tools, but this does the job, right? Um, simple job. So now let's take a look at another website, acmartin.com. Let's see. Now, let's see what we get. Okay, so now when we execute this workflow, so we're taken to a page where we enter our landing page. So we paste the landing page URL there, we hit submit, and then we go back here. Now you can see that our AI agent is thinking. And since we use the correct ideal model that gives us enough for this workflow, that utilizes 100,000 token rate. The model that we use, the 5.1, has a limit of like 500,000, so we're good on the rate. Now all we gotta do is just wait for this AI agent to finish. And so you can see there, see, it wasn't too bad. We click on here so we can see the result. All right, so we'll copy the output, copy that, and then we'll say polish this, paste, and then run. All right, roast. All right, let's talk about your landing page, because right now this isn't a landing page. It's a really pretty 2012 Drupal theme holding your 2026 pipeline hostage. I'm going to break this down by what an actual visitor experience, not what the code intends. Number one, above the fold, gorgeous wallpaper, zero message. What I see as a human, giant full screen photo slideshow, tiny white navigation, some arrows, maybe innovative minds, engaging architecture showing up as an alt tag, internal title, not a real headline. No obvious CTA, no value prop, no clue who this is for, no clue what I should do next. You're an architecture firm. This is prime real estate, and you built a lobby. Beautiful, echoey, and there's no receptionist. A new prospect landing here from Google is instantly asking, what do you actually do? What do you serve? Developers, universities, municipalities, corporate HQs? Why why you over the other 50 firms? Why you over the other 50 firms in the region? What's my next step? Your hero should do 80% of the selling. Yours is doing slideshow duty. Number two, the site is menu driven, which basically means do my homework for me. The current UX says if you want to understand us, please explore our sitemap tree. Good luck. Portfolio, about, news, research, contact is information architecture, not persuasion. Top of funnel visitors are busy, impatient, and under pressure. Right now, you're asking them to choose a menu item, guess what's relevant, self diagnose where they belong, piece together credibility across pages. That's backwards. A high converting landing narrative goes who we are, who we serve, what we do, proof, what happens next, call to action. Your homepage delivers no story, no outcomes, no scannable overview, just navigation and background. Okay, now let's skip all those other roasts and go to the recommendations. Okay. Number one, replace the hero wallpaper with a real value prop plus call to action. Keep the cinematic photo, just stop treating it like the whole homepage. Add a bold headline, subheadline, call to action in the hero. Headline options, architecture that moves cities forward from complex programs to iconic places. Future ready design for universities, cities, and visionary developers. A trusted partner for high stakes civic and institutional projects. Sub headline options. AC Martin partners with institutions and developers to deliver high performance buildings that hold up to budgets, approvals, long term public use. For over a century, we've helped organizations turn ambitious plans into buildable, beautiful, future ready architecture. From entitlements to occupancy, we design spaces that work for people, performance, and the city around them. Primary call to action button, discuss your next project, schedule a project consultation, talk to our team. Secondary call to action, view signature projects, see work in your sector. This one screen should answer who you serve, what you do, why you're credible, and what to do next. So there you go, folks. A roast and a recommendation. So, very simple design, workflow, AI system here that can deliver great analysis. I mean, it's just amazing. This prompt here, I haven't read the whole thing, but oh, okay, okay, baby. I will help you. We'll just finish up with the show, okay? All right. Um, all right, all right. Jamie, you wanna dance? No? Okay. All righty. So, no, Jamie. All right. So let's close this. And yeah, I think that's it. This is, very simple but very effective. I mean, you can just look at the results. I think it does a pretty good job at analyzing, Jamie, analyzing a landing page and, provides real world insight into how you can improve your landing page, and then that improves sales. I mean, that's really what it's all about, is be able to, no, Jamie, be able to get more customers, get more leads, and convert those leads. Okay, folks, so that's it. I have babies I need to take care of right now, and I'll see you next time for another amazing exploration into the wonderful world of AI, so all of us can thrive with AI in the digital age. See you next